Hey there, dear friends. Today, we're setting sail on an epic journey of discovery to one of the most mysterious and profound places on Earth, the deep, dark depths of the ocean. In this video, we're diving deep to show you the true depths of the ocean, explore the wonders lurking beneath the dark currents, and meet the incredible creatures thriving in these extreme environments. We're not just going to bombard you with numbers and facts about how deep the ocean is. Oh no, we're bringing you an exhilarating array of visual effects and expert interviews that'll plunge you right into the allure of the deep sea. Imagine a body of water taller than Mount Everest. Can you fathom how many secrets it holds? How many stories it buries? Are you getting excited yet? To make our deep sea voyage even more vivid and tangible, we've crafted a series of animations using the power of technology to take you places even the bravest explorers have never reached. From the sparkling ocean surface to the unreachable depths of the Twilight Zone, and down to the dark, pressure-intense abyss, each layer offers its own set of wonders waiting to be discovered. In the upcoming videos, you'll see that the deep sea isn't a silent world. It's home to colorful creatures with unbelievable survival tactics and endless natural mysteries to unravel. We'll witness creatures that only appear in the deep sea, like glowing squids, giant deep sea sharks, and critters that seem straight out of an alien world. Now, lock in your screen, adjust your seats, and get ready to dive deep with me on this unforgettable exploration. Don't forget, if you love our deep sea adventure, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications on more awesome content. Are you ready? Let the adventure begin. As we plunge beneath the shimmering ocean surface, the first breathtaking sight is the vibrant scene of the ocean's surface layer, also known as the euphotic zone, which extends down to about 200 meters. In this layer, where sunlight is abundant and the water is warm, most marine life thrives. The sunlight streaming through the clear water creates countless golden speckles, animating a lively underwater world. This layer is not only a haven for swimmers and snorkeling enthusiasts, but also the most active part of the marine ecosystem. Here, we can observe a myriad of colorful creatures like seahorses, mimic octopuses, and lionfish. Seahorses are known for their unique vertical stance and prehensile tails, while mimic octopuses can change their shape to imitate other marine life, deceiving predators and avoiding capture. Lionfish, with their flamboyant appearance and venomous spines, remind us that even beauty can conceal potential dangers. The biodiversity of the surface layer includes a wealth of coral reef fish darting through the vibrant corals, bringing life to the reefs. These small fish play a crucial role in maintaining the health and cleanliness of the corals, helping them fight off pathogens and accumulated impurities. Moreover, the surface layer is a primary site for photosynthesis, where marine plants like seaweed and a multitude of phytoplankton utilize sunlight. They not only provide energy for themselves, but also support the base of the entire marine food chain. These tiny organisms are an indispensable part of the diet for many larger marine animals. However, the beauty of this layer masks its vulnerability. The ocean's surface is most susceptible to marine pollution and climate change. Plastic waste, oil spills, and other pollutants from human activities are gradually threatening the ecological balance here. Rising sea levels and increasing sea temperatures are also altering the biodiversity and ecological structure of this zone. Through our exploration, we not only witness the splendor and vitality of the ocean's surface layer, but also must recognize the importance of protecting it. After all, this concerns not just the survival of marine life, but also our own future as humans. Next, we'll delve deeper into the more mysterious realms of the ocean, the Twilight Zone, a region ranging from 200 meters to 1,000 meters deep, where light gradually fades until it completely disappears. In this enigmatic environment, some of the Earth's most unique creatures thrive. Let's explore the strange spectacles of this deep-sea domain together. As we continue our descent, passing through the bright ocean surface layer, we gradually enter the Twilight Zone. Here, the environment is starkly different, with depths that sunlight cannot fully penetrate, creating a dimly lit world. In this zone, you'll encounter marine life that has developed some of the most adaptive and creative survival strategies. The first creatures that catch our eye are those flashing with bioluminescence. These organisms use bioluminescence to attract prey, find mates, or confuse predators. For example, deep-sea squids and certain types of lanternfish have organs that emit light, serving as built-in lighthouses in the pitch-black depths. In this area, where light is so scarce, many creatures have developed special sensory abilities to detect their surroundings. For instance, the deep-sea viperfish have highly developed olfactory and auditory senses, enabling them to detect subtle water movements and chemical signals, allowing them to accurately capture prey even in complete darkness. In the shadowy world of the deep sea rays are known for their mysterious and unusual appearance. These strange creatures reside in the deepest, least explored corners of the earth, seeming to defy the conventions of nature. Let's dive into the story of these mysterious travelers of the deep sea. Deep sea rays, also known as deep sea skates, are creatures adapted to the extreme environments of the deep ocean. Their bodies are flat and paper-like, resembling phantoms of the sea, silently gliding through the icy waters. These fish have broad wings, nearly as long as their bodies, allowing them to swim steadily under the immense pressure of the deep sea. The skin of deep sea rays is a peculiar deep blue or black, which helps them camouflage in the dark depths and avoid predators. Their eyes are exceptionally large, adapted to the faint light of the deep sea, capable of catching any tiny glimmer from afar. These large eyes serve as lighthouses, guiding them through the dark underwater world. The diet of deep-sea rays is also unique. They primarily feed on small fish, crustaceans, and other benthic invertebrates. Their mouths are located on the underside of their bodies, perfectly suited for capturing prey on the seabed. Sometimes they even sweep the seabed with their bodies to unearth food buried in the sand. Reproduction among deep-sea rays is distinctive as well. They reproduce by releasing eggs and sperm into the water, typically during specific seasons. Once fertilized, the eggs develop into small rays that must quickly adapt to the harsh conditions of the deep sea to ensure their survival. Although many aspects of the deep sea ray's lifestyle remain unknown, their adaptability undoubtedly demonstrates the power of natural selection. In the deep sea, an environment that seems unlikely to support life, deep sea rays not only survive, but also showcase the astonishing resilience and diversity of life. Through the story of these deep-sea travelers, we can appreciate their beauty and peculiarity while gaining a profound understanding of the incredible vitality of life. The deep-sea ray, the phantom of the deep, continues to perform survival miracles in the darkest corners of the earth. Additionally, there are the peculiar glass squid, almost entirely transparent with only a faint outline visible. Their body structure minimizes underwater shadows, making them nearly invisible in the deep sea, a unique defense mechanism. The creatures of the twilight zone also exhibit extreme physical traits, such as long teeth and large eyes, all adaptations to thrive in an environment with minimal light. For example, the giant deep sea ray, with eyes like two large bulbs, can capture faint traces of light, helping them navigate the darkness of the deep sea. Moreover, the twilight zone is a hotspot for scientists studying deep-sea ecology and biological adaptability. The extreme environmental conditions here pose significant survival challenges, making each creature potentially key to unlocking how life can persist in other extreme environments on Earth. The twilight zone, though a world where light fades, is filled with biological wonders and unsolved mysteries. The life here showcases the resilience and diversity of Earth's organisms, serving as a vivid classroom for natural selection and evolution. After leaving the dimly lit twilight zone, our journey takes us to an even more mysterious layer of the ocean, the midnight zone. Situated between 1,000 and 4,000 meters deep, this region is shrouded in perpetual darkness, a true realm without light. In this formidable deep-sea world, some of the Earth's strangest creatures reside. Their survival strategies and adaptations are a profound demonstration of nature at its most extreme. As we continue to descend into the midnight zone, the surrounding darkness grows denser, pierced only by the lights from our submersible. Here, light is a luxury, and the creatures must find other means to navigate and hunt. One of the first creatures we encounter in this zone is the intriguing deep-sea anglerfish, known for its flattened body resembling the ancient lute, the pipa. It is equipped with specialized bioluminescent organs on its head. These glowing lures not only help the anglerfish attract prey in the darkness, but can also confuse predators into thinking they are seeing a larger, more dangerous creature. Another impressive inhabitant of the deep sea is the giant squid, which can grow several meters in length. Their enormous eyes are adapted to capture any faint traces of light in near total darkness. The giant squid's long and powerful tentacles can swiftly capture passing prey, their speed and strength unmatched in the deep ocean. Moreover, the midnight zone is home to creatures that use sonar navigation, such as certain types of deep-sea whales. These whales emit sound waves that can travel kilometers through the dark waters, helping them locate prey and communicate with each other. This sonar system is an astonishing adaptation to the extreme environment, showing how life can find a way to thrive in the most inaccessible parts of the Earth. The biodiversity and complex ecosystem of the Midnight Zone are a treasure trove for studies on biological adaptability. Here, every creature is a testament to survival strategies adapted to extreme conditions, challenging our understanding of life's possibilities. Before we continue our exploration, we pause for a moment in this eternal darkness, looking up at the wonders only visible in this deep-sea midnight zone. This place is not just an ecosystem, it's like a grand show of life's vitality and creativity. Continuing our descent from the mysterious midnight zone, we next arrive at one of the most vast and tranquil regions of the deep sea, the abyssal plains. Located at depths between 4,000 and 6,000 meters, this region hosts some of Earth's most extreme environments. Here, in the expansive depths of the ocean floor, the landscape becomes monotonous, yet life persists with remarkable tenacity, demonstrating incredible adaptability and diversity. The abyssal plains are expansive, sediment-covered areas. The environmental conditions here are harsh, temperatures near freezing, immense pressure, and a complete absence of natural light. It's hard to imagine that life can exist in such a place. In this silent deep-sea expanse, organisms primarily rely on chemosynthesis rather than photosynthesis for energy conversion. A distinctive feature of this area is the deep-sea hydrothermal vents. These vents release heat and minerals from Earth's crust fractures, creating unique ecosystems. Around these vents form so-called hydrothermal vent communities, home to some of the planet's most unique organisms. For instance, giant tube worms are members of these communities. They are anchored to the seafloor, immobile and brightly colored. These tube worms do not rely on sunlight, but obtain energy through symbiotic relationships with chemosynthetic bacteria inside their bodies. These bacteria convert the hydrogen sulfide released by the vents into energy, supporting the worm's growth and reproduction. The abyssal plains are also home to many deep-sea fish and invertebrates. These creatures have adapted to the darkness, evolving special sensory systems to detect faint electrical currents and chemical signals. Some deep-sea fish have specially developed jaws and teeth to capture prey that is nearly invisible in the pitch black. Every organism here demonstrates how life can find a way to survive under seemingly impossible conditions. For example, deep-sea cucumbers and certain types of crabs leisurely crawl across the icy ocean floor, sifting food from the sediments. Their existence is not only astonishing, but also a reminder of Earth's formidable life force and diversity. While the abyssal plains may seem like a desolate world, they actually represent an important showcase of biodiversity on Earth. The food chains here may not be as rich as in the photic zones, but each link provides a fascinating interpretation of adaptability to extreme environments. As our expedition plunges into the deepest parts of the ocean's abyssal plains, our deep-sea journey gradually draws to a close. Today, we embarked from the bustling ocean surface, descended through the dimming twilight zone, ventured into the perpetual darkness of the midnight zone, and finally arrived at the vast and silent abyssal plains. Each layer revealed different marvels of the deep ocean, and each creature told its unique survival story. During this amazing journey, we witnessed how life, in its various forms, exhibits astonishing adaptability and diversity in the most extreme environments on Earth. From the vibrant marine life of the surface to the mysterious creatures in the deep-sea currents, each is a masterpiece of natural selection and evolution. We learned how to navigate in a world without light, how to find food in the high-pressure depths, and how to reproduce under nearly impossible conditions. This deep-sea expedition was not just an exploration of the unknown, but also a celebration of life's resilience. It reminds us that even under the most adverse conditions, life can find a way to persevere and advance. This tenacity and diversity are not only awe-inspiring, but also worthy of deep reflection, especially as we consider how to protect these fragile ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this deep-sea adventure. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and leave your thoughts and questions. We eagerly look forward to sharing more stories about this mysterious planet with you. Until our next adventure begins, keep curious and continue exploring. We'll see you on the seafloor.